Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today we're going to travel with my family and it will going to be a long night travel. And right now we're just heading out there because my mama lately was working in her office. Actually, we're going to visit one of our relatives because they invited us to have a family outing with them. And by the way, despite of heavy rain, we still decided to go there. Hello everyone, good morning. Today we're already here in the beach. Actually, we have here many foods and actually these are the Filipino foods in our country. And also after the picture taking and also praying, we decided to eat our food here and it's very delicious. And by the way everyone, I decided to sing along here and after that I decided to swim with my cousins. Hello everyone, right now we're here in our second destination. We visit here in my aunt's house and since tomorrow I already have a class, I decided to visit here with my family and right now we're eating.